All right, I had to start filming the part 3 for the Toro, but here I am, part 1. Hopefully the only episode for the Murray 12 horsepower slash 40 inch. 40 inch being the deck size and stuff. That Toro one's look a bit bigger. I don't know, but yeah. So I bought an ignition from online off of eBay and stuff. What I did, well, bought one. The other one was completely destroyed. Fortunately, I don't have photos of it, but yeah, let me show you. This part was separated from the rest of it. Sorry about the crappy camera work. But yeah, I got that all swapped up, except this one had an extra, what's it called? A terminal on the ignition. So I don't know. I didn't know what to do. So I went ahead and took the wires apart. I took the plug apart and swapped the wires around. I just got done with that. I got some starting fluid here. It cranks pretty well, actually. I swapped the light bulbs. 2 LEDs, of course. Let's see if she'll do anything. Well, there we go. She runs. Yummy, yummy. It smells like yums. You can see I got a light bulb stuck in there. Oops. Yeah, like I said, I got a new carburetor coming in the mail. Either to put on the Toro over there or on this one. Well, that one works and all. It's just very high idle, which hopefully I'll go fix in the next episode on that and stuff. Yeah, so I'll get back to you when I have a carburetor for this. Then we go ahead and do some tire swap. All right. I know I didn't film the last mower tire change. And I apologize for not filming much that last video. Or the second part to the Toro video. But yeah, it was really hot out. And my body was still getting used to it from the cold winter weather. But yeah, here we have the bulb tire. It's a race car special, but as long as she holds air and fits. Man, lucky new owner. But yeah, I really apologize about that. I just lost a clamp. But hopefully now I'll do this. But I didn't feel much of putting ignition in because that took hours of work. And I wasn't expecting it to work. So as soon as I heard it cranking and stuff after I put it in, I immediately got the camera doing a bit more work than what the last owners did. So I have like $15, including the tire, into this mower right now. I don't know how much this is worth. I'm saying around the same amount as the Toro, maybe a bit more since it's newer, and it's a 12 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine compared to an 11 horsepower. It's a bit more modernized. We're back on this Murray here. I just got done with the Toro over there. It ran, it drove, or it ran. Still have what I think is high idle. I mean, it could be normal for those engines, but I don't know. It started up right away. It didn't die when I put it though. I don't know what it could be. I think it's good enough. It mowed for me pretty well. It drove for me pretty well. I even fixed the brakes. I'm not gonna go ahead and put $1 million into that engine, nor 1,000,000 hours. So I think it's good enough. Are you kidding me? I need that. The stupid bolt stuck in there. Why do people take apart stuff, not put it back together? A dude I got it from didn't do this though, so. Well, man, I'll never know who. I can't get it off. So hip hip hooray for whoever took this apart and didn't put it back together. Of course, I'm going to give this carburetor another cleaning and all before I put it back in. First, I want to take this one out, see what it could do, and yeah. Alright, here it is. Got it all nice out. Since I don't have a great tripod, unfortunately I cannot go ahead and like, see, I can't even tip it down. There we go, I guess. But even this one's a bit broken. But yeah, I mean, open her up. See, I even got a new crush washer on this one. I found out that brake crush washers also works as the gaskets for these motors. I used it on this one and the generator carburetor, but yeah, this is dirty again. And yes, this time take the float bowl out. Oh, I don't like that design. But don't worry, I even got these, so I can go ahead, clean her up. I'll be back to you when it's more clean. that doesn't work. But she ran. She ran pretty good. Alright, there we go. That was pretty easy. I think I just need to go ahead, get an air filter thing for that. I'll include the old carburetor just because it has the thing and I don't want to try to get it off. But the reason why that kill switch wasn't working, or the ignition wasn't working, because I didn't have it grounded to, or there's a 6-prong, which is the ground, and I have the wire there, but I don't have it anywhere yet. So the lights work, so I'm gonna swap the old bulbs in, because I don't want to send something with my nice LED lights that I don't know the lights work. Unlike that one, I know the lights work. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. I mean, sorry it's a short one, but this time it's a good thing it's a short one, because it didn't take long to do it. I just have to do little things. Gonna figure out the price or the value of it with or without a battery and stuff. I still need to ground that wire for the ignition and stuff. That's really it. It runs pretty good. I mean, the idle goes meow, meow, which that's a worn out spring on the throttle. The throttle cable is a spring is a bit worn out. See, I know that, but it looks pretty cool, or cleaned up. I cleaned it up a little bit for some pictures. Guess that tire deflates air a bit, but this rear tire holds air. I mean, that's the good side of it. But yeah, it runs, it drives, it mows. It shuts on and off pretty good. I even added, hold on, it got some new fuel holes too. A little air filter there. So, I mean, so you look how clean this engine bay gotten. He'll shout out to Super Clean, because I wouldn't have got it this clean without it. I mean, maybe if it's a good machinery, I go get my plastic shining stuff, make this look new at least. Yeah, I mean, yeah, don't use Super Clean. I like plastic and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, the Toro's ready to sell too. It runs and drives and mows and stuff. The idle's a bit high, but that one has lights. So 2 down, 3 to go. I think I'm gonna do the Honda H3R50 or whatever, 900, whatever it is, next. Then the Craftsman, then the other Toro, because the Toro, that needs a bit of work. Needs new coil, it needs a starter, it needs a carburetor. Yeah, I hope I can find an engine instead. Or if anybody like in Wisconsin, or I don't know, yeah, anyone has like a, I don't know, this style of Briggs & Stratton engine, don't matter about the horsepower, but, or parts for one, email me down below, because yeah, yeah, it'd be pretty cool to get one. I had to spend a lot of money. I got to do wiring, which I don't mind at all. I did wiring for this one, and it worked. But yeah, and wiring for that one, ignition, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the Honda.